Today we're making a Thai dish called Guay Tiew Moo Sub. Welcome back to Thai Caliente. I'm here again with my mom, and today we're making a Thai dish called Guay Tiew Moo Sub. So it is minced pork and it's cooked in a gravy, and then it's ladled over rice noodles. But the gravy also has some curry powder, and then it's served on a bed of green leaf lettuce. So we're going to show you guys how to make this recipe right now. I'm going to marinate the minced pork. What is that, Mom?
Oyster sauce, one teaspoon. Golden Mountain, 1 teaspoon. And dark sauce.
Dark soy sauce.
Dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon. And sweet sauce.
Sweet dark soy sauce.
1 teaspoon. And 1/2 teaspoon curry powder.
Okay. 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. So add that to the pork.
Yeah, add to the pork.
Okay.
1 teaspoon.
Teaspoon of oil to the pork.
Mix.
Okay. Now we're going to make the ingredients for the sauce or the gravy. We're doing a 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of Golden Mountain soy sauce. These are all the same ingredients we use to marinate the pork, so pretty easy. A teaspoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of sweet soy sauce, as well as a teaspoon of dark soy sauce.
1/2 teaspoon sugar. The water, 1/2 cup. Just stir in here.
Then add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to the remaining 1/2 cup of water. In a skillet over medium heat, add a tablespoon of oil, 4 cloves of garlic, and a little bit of onion. Add the marinated pork. The rest of the tomato and onion. A sauce mixture into the cornstarch.
Yeah, the cornstarch.
Add the cornstarch slurry.
Good. Okay.
Try it. Okay, so we're gonna put another 1/2 teaspoon or teaspoon?
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon of Golden Mountain, just to give it more flavor. So to prepare the rice noodles, you can look at this video that I've linked in the iCard for ratna, but basically you're just going to steam some fresh rice noodles, mix a little bit of sweet soy sauce, and then just pan fry them until they develop a little bit of color and are nice and warm. Okay. Now we're putting the noodles on top of a bed of green leaf lettuce.
Now,
and you put the sauce on top.
อันนี้แบ่งกันกินได้ ใส่ไปเยอะๆเลย โรย
So now for the finishing touch, we're just gonna add some vinegar and jalapeno just for a little acidity and spice. And now it's time for the taste test. Just mix it up together.
Now it's a taste.
All right.
Good, huh?
Delicious.
You don't have for that almost.
It's been a long time.
15 years in San Antonio.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try for Guay Tiew Moo Sub. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.